Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lily's Nest. So for this week we were reacting to a lot of Purple Kiss and learning more about them. So I got really into like the whole Korean vibe type of thing. So today I decided to try some Korean foods that I haven't tried before. Some I have, some I haven't. I got bibimbap, and then I got tteokbokki, which I can't eat spicy foods, but I've seen people eat it a lot in Korean movies and stuff, and they always look so good, and I'm just like, I'm scared what's gonna happen. I have my water with me, and I'm gonna see how this goes. Um, I'm just gonna get into it and see if I can handle it, but I might die. Okay, I'm scared. It's good. It's hitting my throat. I definitely need that water. But it's not too spicy. I think I can handle this. Yeah, I think I can. But this is delicious if you haven't tried it yet and you're like me and you're afraid of spicy foods and you can't handle it. This is actually not that bad. I think it was just because like it was the first initial kick, but I think I might be okay. Mm-hmm. That's delicious. I love the texture. That is so good. So, again, if you're afraid of spicy foods and you always wanted to try this, definitely try it. It's really good and it's not too crazy spicy. There's a small kick to it, but it's really not that bad. And here I also have some sweet potatoes of sorts. I don't really know how they make these, but they're always so good. Those are good. I love Korean food. I usually go for Korean barbecue, but with the lockdowns and stuff, you can't really do that. I was going to go home to my hometown to visit in a couple weeks, and I was hoping I can get some Korean barbecue while I was home, but that's not happening with the new Ontario restrictions, unfortunately. So I am eating regular Korean food, which is just as delicious. Mm-hmm. Very good. If you're in Ottawa and you're looking for some good Korean food, go to Ali Rang. I went to the one on Merivale. They have delicious food. I couldn't really find their menu myself, so I just ordered what I normally order. And obviously, I also wanted to try the tteokbokki. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. Pardon my Korean. I really don't know how to pronounce it. But these are so good. I'm surprised I haven't tried this earlier. I think it's just like the scare of the spiciness, but it's really not that bad. Mm-hmm. I think I should probably try kimchi next because I always been afraid of eating kimchi because I was afraid it's going to be too spicy for me. But if it's around the same level, I might be okay. Maybe. Maybe I'll try that next time. Or is this kimchi that they put in with it? I don't know. Maybe. I honestly don't know what else this is. I don't know why I just ate, but that's good. Get some rice. I don't know if it's just an Asian thing, but every Asian restaurant I go to, I always get a rice dish. I just love rice. I could eat it for every meal. Ooh, mushroom. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just strange, but even when I go to like a Vietnamese restaurant, like a pho place or something, I always get a rice dish. I don't know why. Very, very rarely would I not get a rice dish, but I just really like rice, maybe. But that's just me. Everyone has their own taste. But if you're like me and you like rice dishes, get a bibimbap. 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 I got a beef one. My sister-in-law got a pork one. I'll ask her later how she likes it. I think it was her first time trying this too. I'm sure she'll like it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I want to visit Korea one day and just try their local cuisine, because like I'm sure like how Vietnamese cuisine is, that there's definitely things that we haven't tried like over here in Canada that is available over there locally, because there are certain, I know there's certain like Vietnamese cuisines here that we can't find here in restaurants, which my mom has made, because obviously she's Vietnamese and she made a Vietnamese food growing up, but there are things that I can't find in a restaurant. So I'm just curious what other foods they have there, because this might just be like their most popular stuff, or just like the easiest things for them to make. I'm not really sure how they decide what to make from all the foods that they have available, but I'm very curious. I have an egg here. I should probably pop it and mix it in with my rice. I think I got a bowl that's too small. I think I'm the type to find happiness in food. I feel like a lot of people are, but I heard of some people who literally just eat food to survive. And I'm like, what do you mean? How do you just eat for the heck of eating? I don't know. Like, if it's not good food, then why eat? That's my opinion. I need to get more of these. Next time I'll make 2 orders. I don't know if this is like the normal spice level for tteokbokki or if this place just makes it a little bit milder than some. I'll have to try another restaurant and see if I can handle it. But I'm less scared of it now. Well, I'm gonna finish the rest on my own, but thank you for coming to Lily's Nest to watch me experience some new Korean foods and also just hang out with me a little bit. I didn't really know what else to post today. Thank you and bye.